Welcome to my channel, and today we're diving into the future with the incredible lineup from BMW in 2025. If you're a fan of luxury, performance, and innovation, then stick around because BMW is taking things to the next level. This isn't just about cars anymore, it's about the experience, the tech, and the bold new vision of what driving can be, starting with the design. BMW has taken a futuristic yet classy approach for 2025. The signature kidney grille is still here, but now more aerodynamic and sleeker than ever before. LED matrix headlights and laser light technology give every model a sharp, aggressive look, while also offering better visibility. Whether you're looking at the new BMW 3 Series, the bold 7 Series, or the all-electric i7, every vehicle in 2025 carries a refined, high-end style that instantly makes a statement. Under the hood, things get even more interesting. BMW isn't just sticking with gasoline engines, they're going all in with hybrid and electric powertrains. The 2.0 to 5i5 and i7 are leading the charge in BMW's electric evolution, offering impressive ranges up to 400 miles on a full charge, super fast acceleration, and of course, that signature BMW handling. You get the silent thrill of electric power, combined with the performance DNA that BMW is famous for. But BMW knows performance isn't just about speed, it's about control, comfort, and the feel of the road. That's why the 2025 models come with advanced suspension systems, adaptive steering, and the latest generation of xDrive all-wheel drive. The cars practically read the road ahead, adjusting in real time to give you a smooth, confident ride. No matter the conditions inside the cabin, it's pure luxury. BMW's 2025 interiors feel like stepping into the future. There's a massive curved digital display that merges the instrument cluster with the infotainment screen powered by BMW's iDrive 9 system. It's fast, intuitive, and customizable. Voice control is smarter, touch response is quicker, and it feels like you're sitting inside a tech-savvy lounge rather than a car. Premium materials like vegan leather, crystal controls, and ambient lighting elevate the feel even more. Safety and driver assistance are also top priorities. The 2025 lineup is packed with features like adaptive cruise control, automatic lane change, traffic jam assist, and even semi-autonomous driving in certain models. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway, BMW's got your back with technology that helps keep you alert, safe, and stress-free. BMW is also pushing boundaries with connectivity. All 2025 models come with 5G integration, remote software upgrades, and even personalized driver profiles that adjust everything from seat position to music preferences as soon as you step in. And yes, there's a full integration with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even built-in gaming options for passengers to enjoy on longer trips. And let's not forget about performance. BMW hasn't forgotten its racing roots. The 2025 BMW M3 and M5 models are absolute beasts, delivering jaw-dropping horsepower with new lightweight components, sharper aerodynamics, and track-ready precision. If you're looking for something that gives you goosebumps every time you hit the accelerator, BMW's M Division has got you covered. So, whether you're into sustainability, performance, or just love the finer things in life, BMW in 2025 delivers it all. It's a blend of classic driving joy with modern innovation, with bold new EVs, smarter tech, and iconic design. The brand is proving once again why it sits at the top of the luxury automotive world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on your favorite 2025 BMW model. See you in the next one.